Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this baby. As you can see, my clips match the palette. That's how excited I am. Yeah, I haven't even swatched it, so I'm so excited. So new. So this is what it looks like, you guys. The brush just came out. So I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and I just want to see if it's as good as it looks on Instagram, to be honest with you. So yeah, let's get started. Let me get this out of the way. Let's go ahead and use the brush that it comes with, because it looks pretty nice. So the hard part today is going to be choosing like what color scheme I want to do, because like I understand that the theme is like purple, but there's so much I can do with this. It's crazy. Color eccentric, which is orange color. It's brownie orange. It's just like, those are my shades, you know. But damn, I don't know. I could do like such neutral looks with this, but let's go ahead and use the purple, and then maybe I'll do another tutorial using the bronzy brown shades, which is perfect for fall. So yeah, let's get into the video, people. Okay, y'all, so the first shade I'm gonna use is the purple Soul. Get some on my brush, tap off. I'm gonna use my own brush. It's like kind of rough on my eye. Just putting that in the crease. I already primed my lids with just concealer and loose powder. Y'all were wondering. Wow, that was really easy. So yeah, let's just do the same thing on the other eye. So of course I'm experiencing a little bit of fallout, but that happens with the Modern Renaissance palette too, and it's still probably my favorite palette out. So that does not bother me at all. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Love, which is the pink shade right here, this one, and I'm just gonna put that above where I put the purple. So I'm gonna get some more light in here. So what I'm noticing is that the shades, they layer beautifully. I'm not having any patchiness or anything like that. I put the purple first and then the very light pink on top, and it's layering beautifully. I thought I might have a problem just because the purple was so dark. I didn't think, not dark, but the purple was so opaque that I thought I wouldn't be able to see the pink eyeshadow at all, but I can clearly see it, and it's creating kind of like a gradient. So in other words, it's amazing and I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more of Soul because we just layered a bunch of pink on it, so we lost a little bit of color. I always see NORVINA using this palette, obviously, and she's been using all the colors and it's been so beautiful, but for some of the looks she has this like really thick wing liner, and I think I'm gonna do that today. Once we're done with the mattes and the shimmers, when we get to the liner, I want it to be like super thick. But yeah, just a heads up. So I think I really like the base that we have created. And now to see which shimmer we should use, because the whole top row is shimmers. So I think I'm gonna go with Celestial, which is the purple, and maybe put some Wild Child, which is the pink, over top. So first this one and then this one, maybe. If the purple is not sparkly enough for me, then I'll put some Wild Child on top, using the brush that it came with. I'm not even trying, you guys. This is just so beautiful. Okay, so I put Celestial on the lid and I'm really liking it. I put some on my finger and like kind of tapped it on the eye, and I think it looks a little bit more pigmented when using your finger instead of the brush. But I'm gonna go ahead and add more of the matte purple shade, Soul, with, I never told you, a Morphe M441, and I'm just gonna pack that on. Have you ever stabbed your palette with the other side of the brush? No. Gosh. So rough. It's okay, the palette will survive. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Wild Child, the pink sparkly shade, and I'm gonna use the brush and just put it towards the middle of my lid. Alright, so now with a pencil brush, I'm gonna take Love, the pink shade, and put it in my lower lash line. And then with a flat brush like this, I'm gonna take Soul and pack it on just a little bit closer to the lash line and more precise. I'm gonna put Dreamer, which is the lightest of the shimmer shades, this one. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner and brow bone. Wow, that pops. I love having like a really bright inner corner highlight. So y'all, now to the wing liner, so I'll be right back. Okay, liner's done. Now mascara. I'm gonna do Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then on top I'm gonna do the Essence Lash Princess one. Okay, now For lips, we're gonna do Spice lip liner from Milani. And on top of that, we're gonna do Stockholm Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX. Ooh, my nose is running. So for highlight, I'm gonna put this back in its packaging because I want it to always look beautiful. My Modern Renaissance palette does not currently look beautiful. A little messy, but it's okay. We're gonna try again with this palette. So for highlight, I'm gonna take the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter from Maybelline in Molten Peach, and I'm just gonna put that. Shit, I need a mirror. Okay. Shout out to my mom, she got me this. Whoa. Okay. Just gonna put that highlighter on the tip of my nose. And down the bridge. Okay. And now I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Ooh, it's kind of pinky, so I decided that that would be a good one to use today. Last but not least, I'm going to put some of the J-Cat Beauty highlighter in Pink Goddess just on the tippy top part of my cheek to make them pop. It makes a difference to me. These are really inexpensive highlighters and they're both really good. And put a little bit more of that on my nose. And I think we're done. Okay, y'all, we have reached the end of this video. I would just like to say I love this palette. It's amazing and I think everyone should purchase it because it's so different from the Modern Renaissance. I personally didn't get the Soft Glam because I thought it was too close to the Modern Renaissance and it was like the same colors almost, and I don't know, this one's just so different and I really like it. So if you guys are gonna pick up the palette, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any other suggestions for a video for next week, also let me know down below. Stop saying thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe. Hope you guys are having an awesome morning, day, or night. Bye.